Faster and guaranteed rooting of stem or branch cuttings, take a small piece of fresh aloe vera leaf and insert the cutting into it, and then plant it into the soil. Roots grow as early as 10 days depending on the plant you choose. The candle hack. Seal the upper cut end of your plant stem or branch cutting using few drops of candle wax. This helps prevent moisture evaporation and results in faster rooting. No browns for composting? Use a paper shredder and use the shredded paper and cardboard to add it into your compost bin for faster and smell-free composting. Easy tomato stakes. Tomato plants require support to avoid awkward bends and also to give the best yield. String support your tomato plants using a small piece of GI metal wire. Make it into a U-shaped loop and then insert it near the roots. Tie one end of a string to this and the other end to some support at the top. Banana peel fertilizer for flowering. To make banana peel tea, soak pieces of banana peels in water for 2 to 3 days. Dilute this liquid with water in 1:5 ratio and water your plants to provide potassium to your plants, which increases flowering in plants and also makes the flower size bigger.